Subscribe my channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned to Sunday page. A lot of fresh videos are going to come about the stock market as well as general stuff. So let's get back to the analysis. So see, I have taken like almost like close to 5 stocks I have taken in different sectors. One is like IT index, one is Balakrishna and Cadila, that is medical industry, life insurance industry, Prudential life insurance, and LIC housing finance. So all the sectors would be very different. So I love to analyze each and every sectors. So what is happening, key important stocks, what is going to happen. If I found any kind of patterns, I'll draw and share it to you guys, a kind of learning. Okay, so let's see, get into the IT. So this IT is like this IT index, I took it as a day time frame. Exactly, market is into symmetrical, descending triangle pattern. So the market is forming, see, the exactly forming is forming like a kind of pattern, a kind of like downward trend line is forming, and the strong, this is a kind of strong support is taking here. This is almost leading, this is a good time. I'm expecting IT would drop down almost like another like 1,000 points. I'm expecting that in the downside. So definitely upcoming days or upcoming weeks, definitely IT stocks is very, very important for the investment purpose. If it is the IT index gets down, the key stocks would be get down rather than and the Balakrishna, again one of the very important stock for the future stuff. And this stock, lot of what could I say, lot of volatility momentum gives or produces this stock. So this is a day time frame. See what is happening, see, taking support here 2 times, again 3 times, taking support here, again this is an expanding kind of triangle. See, this is an expanding channel. So the thing is like, we need to wait, lot of things is going to happen in upcoming days. Once this ascending triangle gets broken, we can expect a uptrend. That's one thing. And second thing is like, this is a completely taking a support. See, 1 2 3, almost like taking a support. Very, very good supports are taking here, also good resistance are taking. So definitely market in upcoming days, we can expect a volatility in Balakrishna. I'm expecting a kind of breakout. This is a very, very important candle. This breakout gives lot of what could I say, a lot of confirmation what is going to happen in the next week. That is that is tomorrow or next week is going to happen. What is going to happen, because today's market all day, right? So next week. Okay, Cadila has a beautiful waiting for the breakout. I'm waiting for this breakout. So this Cadila is a kind of Parma sector. See, this is definitely in channel pattern. This is close to almost like, this is last May onwards, close to 10 months the market is in channel. Again this is small channel, sub channel. So again got breakout, again touches the support here. Again this is a breakout, this is a clear breakout given, and taking like a breakout, retracement is happening, pullback is happening here. Again a kind of like ascending triangle pattern, and there's a trend line is happening here. So taking a lot of support, resistance, taking a resistance, support, all the things are happening in this pattern. So that's what, try to draw the patterns in the trading view. You get a clear clarification what is going to happen. See, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5, again 1 2, again this is like connect this also. This is completely like, this is a clear resistance happening here. So this is a kind of pattern is also inside here. Once you buy the stocks here, so definitely market goes there. Again taking a small kind of like consolidation, again market is falling, touches the support, resistance, again downfall is happening. So everything is happening in the Cadila. So we need to wait for the, again waiting for the breakout. Okay, Prudential life insurance. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement to swing low to swing high. What is happening, exactly the reversals time. This is a reversal time, 50 and 61.8. These two are very, very key reversal time. Again 50 61, see, again reversal is happening 61. Almost like last 5 hours the market is taking a consolidation in the 61.8, that is 484 range. So I'm expecting, I'm not sure whether market goes downside or upside. We need to wait. So what is going to happen in the Prudential life insurance in upcoming days, because taking a consolidation here, so we need to wait what is happening. And LIC housing finance, again a pattern is forming, again trend line is forming, almost like last 6 months the trend line is forming, a channel formed here. So definitely market gives lot of consolidation. You could have buy here, or else you could have buy, this is a buying area. a lot of support is happening here. So you can have buy and market if one